What's up, everybody? Ratchet David here for another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the 3 things that I changed on my FZ-09 within the first week of trading it. So this bike is just really aggressive looking. I mean, it's got the front headlight assembly and the wide tank with the air inlets to the filters, which just give this really track bike aggressive feel. And then they threw on some bulky items that took away from that look, and I thought they look really ugly. So I changed these 3 things. First thing I changed, they had a massive rear fender with a tag holder on the back that covered kind of the tire in this area, and then went down to the axle and the swing arm. And for about $50 online, I purchased a machine block that eliminates that fender completely and just gives you a clean look in the back. And that was the first thing that I changed about this bike. The second thing that I changed were the bulky mirrors, and I did it on my SV650. I'll do it on this bike, and I'll do it on the next bike. They have bulky mirrors that mount here and come out, and they're so ugly. And thankfully I had some old bar-in mirrors sitting around in my garage from my SV650 from when I traded it in. So I threw one on, but the second one broke. So I'm just running one, and that's really all you need. And I kind of like the look. It's kind of become, I don't know, it looks really aggressive to me. So I really like it. And the third thing that I did after deleting that tag, and I'll link a video to it, I made my own tag holder underneath the rear seat here for the bike. I'm sorry, I was trying to say FZ and not SV because that was my last bike. It's all confusing. But yeah, I made a custom tag holder, spent less than $10 on that, and I'll link that at the end of the video for you to watch. And then, so that was 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's 3. Now there's a 4th thing that I am doing that a lot of people do on these bikes. I just haven't had the time to do it yet. And it's these big blinkers. They're so ugly. All 4 of them. I don't know why they made them so big. There's no need to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna change those out. They're sitting in my garage, and I'll get to them at some point. But yeah, simple as that. Just a quick little video. But that's 3 things I changed within the first week, and then one more thing that I am going to change when I have the time to do so. But yeah, the bike looks so much better without those big mirrors, without the big fender on the back, and once those blinkers are gone, this thing is going to be cleaned up really nicely. Thanks for watching, y'all.